Let me ask you something. Have you ever prayed and felt like God wasn't listening? You talk, you cry, you wait, or you hear silence. Maybe you've been praying for an opportunity, a job, healing, a relationship, but it feels like heaven is quiet. And you start wondering, did God forget about me? You are not alone. Every believer, no matter how strong their faith, faces moments like that. Think of Sarah. She's been praying for months to get into her dream university. She worked hard, did her part, and believed. But every message she gets says, "We regret to inform you." And she starts to question if her prayers even matter anymore. Maybe that's you too, waiting for something that seems never to come. But here's the truth. God's silence doesn't mean God's absence. In the Bible, Job went through one of the darkest seasons anyone could imagine. He lost his worth, his health, and even his family. And the worst part, for a while, God was silent. Job couldn't hear his voice, couldn't feel his presence. But even in silence, God was still writing his story, a story of restoration and double blessings. Job didn't realize it then, but silence was not rejection, it was preparation. Job chapter 23 verse 10, "But he knows the way that I take. When he has tested me, I will come forth as gold." Even Jesus felt God's silence. When he hung on the cross, he cried, my God, why have you forsaken me?" Matthew 27:46. For a moment, heaven was quiet, but through that silence, salvation was being born. Sometimes God's quiet moments are the most powerful because He's doing something beyond your eyes can see. Maybe you've been praying for healing, but the pain still stays. Maybe you've been asking for direction, but doors keep closing and it feels like you're stuck in an endless waiting room. But listen, even when you don't hear Him, God hears you. He hasn't forgotten your prayers. He's shaping your heart. Sometimes He's protecting you from things that you can't see yet. Isaiah chapter 55 verse 8 up to 9. "For my thoughts are not your thoughts, neither are your ways my ways, declares the Lord. As the heavens are higher than the earth, so are my ways higher than yours." When God seems silent, it might be because He's testing your trust. Will you still believe when you can't feel Him? Will you still pray when the answer hasn't come? Faith isn't built in the noise, it's built in the quiet. It's in the waiting that your faith grows roots. Psalm chapter 37 verse 7. "Be still before the Lord and wait patiently for Him." Don't give up. Don't walk away just because silence feels heavy. Your waiting isn't wasted. It's sacred. God is still working. He's not ignoring you. He is preparing you. If you're in that quiet season, take a deep breath. You are seen, you are loved, and your story isn't over yet. Thanks for watching. If this message touched your heart, share it with someone who needs a reminder. And remember, even in silence, God is still speaking.